How to integrate unit tests into CI/CD pipelines. Are you curious about how to seamlessly integrate unit tests into your continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines? You're in the right spot. Let's break down the steps to make this process smooth and effective. First, writing testable code is essential. Design your functions and modules to be independent with clear inputs and outputs. This makes it easier to write unit tests that run without needing other components. When your code is structured well, it sets the stage for effective testing. Next, automate the execution of your unit tests. Configure your continuous integration system to run these tests every time a code change is committed or a pull request is made. This immediate feedback helps catch bugs early, making them easier and cheaper to fix. It's also important to prioritize test coverage. Aim for around 70% coverage of your codebase. This level helps ensure that most bugs are caught early. Keep your unit tests small and focused on specific functionalities like input, validation, and boundary conditions. Utilizing mocking and isolation techniques is another key step. Mocking frameworks can simulate external dependencies, allowing your unit tests to remain isolated and quick. This prevents failures due to issues outside the unit being tested. Speed is vital when it comes to executing unit tests. Since these tests run frequently, make sure they execute quickly to avoid slowing down your pipeline. You can parallelize test execution, running tests simultaneously across multiple machines or containers. This reduces the overall runtime of your pipeline. Maintaining the quality and relevance of your tests is crucial. Regularly update and refactor your unit tests alongside code changes. Remove tests that are no longer relevant and add new ones as your features evolve. Integrating with pipeline gates is another effective strategy. Configure your continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline to block progression to later stages if unit tests fail. This ensures that faulty code does not reach production. Finally, while unit tests run in isolated environments, ensure that later stages of your pipeline use testing environments that closely match production. This helps catch integration issues that unit tests might miss. By embedding unit testing into your continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline, you can detect bugs early, reduce debugging efforts, and improve overall software reliability. This method supports advanced debugging and prevention, ensuring that issues are caught at the smallest code level before they escalate.